Good morning, and welcome to this video on fat loss breakfast options. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, the choices you make for breakfast can have a big impact on your success. In this video, we'll be discussing some tasty and healthy options for breakfast that can help you on your weight loss journey. Let's start with the classic, eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. They're also very versatile, so you can prepare them in a variety of ways. Try making a veggie-packed omelette or scramble, or opt for a protein-rich frittata. Another option for a fat loss breakfast is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain that is high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's also very easy to customize with your favorite toppings, like fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. If you're someone who prefers a grab-and-go breakfast, smoothies can be a great option. Just be sure to choose a base of low-fat yogurt or milk, and add in plenty of fruits and veggies for a nutritious boost. You can also add a scoop of protein powder for an extra punch of protein. Finally, don't forget about the power of a high-protein breakfast sandwich. Look for whole grain bread, and load up on protein-rich toppings like turkey bacon, eggs, and avocado. Those are just a few ideas for a fat loss breakfast. Remember, the key is to focus on protein and fiber to help keep you feeling full and satisfied. With a little planning, you can start each day off on the right foot.